We just returned from Mesa Verde in Colorado. The park protects the rich heritage of the Pueblos and other tribes who called this area home hundreds of years ago. I'm going to give you a tour of this amazing location, starting with Cliff Palace. Then I'm going to get you up close and personal with this amazingly preserved architecture when we travel to Balcony House. Then I'll end with Spruce Treehouse. It's the park's best preserved cliff dwelling, and it's absolutely spectacular. Today I'm going to give you a different kind of tour. Today we are touring Cliff Palace in Colorado, Mesa Verde. Check out this amazing place behind me. Hundreds and hundreds of years old. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you guys an awesome view of this incredible location. Then remember at the end, make sure you leave some comments. I wanna hear what you think. Okay, so this is Cliff Palace looking down from the view area. This is where you'll meet with the ranger. Make sure you walk over to the edge and take a look down. It's probably gonna be your best view of the area. Then this view is from the base before you walk down along the trail in front of this area. You do not get to walk among the architecture in this location. And then if you look up here, there's actually 7 rooms where they stored food. Okay, so the hike into Cliff Palace starts with this short little ladder climb. And your only access to this area is along this little trail that runs kind of in front of the architecture that you see here. Okay, and here's a close-up of the sandstone bricks. It's amazing sandstone stays in this good a condition after all these years. And we're looking down into one of the kivas, and the kivas were their home. So this is kiva number 1. Okay, this is just another close-up. You can see the ladder used to go from one area to the next. And this is another kiva. Okay, and now we'll just take one last glance back at where we came from. And these are the crazy steps leading back to the top, kind of like something out of Lord of the Rings. And then once again, here is a view looking the other direction from the viewpoint. Make sure you do not miss the viewpoint. It's the best view of this area and it's absolutely amazing. Oldest stuff, the oldest innovations, whatever, technology, oldest technology, and such an honor to show you guys such amazing places. That's it for Cliff Palace. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Today, I'm giving you a tour of Balcony House. Okay, so the tour to Balcony House starts with a climb of a 32-foot ladder. It wasn't as scary as I thought it might be, but this is my family coming here to the top. Then you slip through this tiny little crack here where you'll find a little ladder. It's a giant ladder. Careful, Demery. Don't look down, Demery. Cool ladder here. Tay?
This is the north closet right here. You can see the balcony.
Okay, check out this cool wall here. There's the window here, and they actually did some remodeling. Look, you can see there used to be a door right here, and at some point, they decided to fill that in. But this place is absolutely amazing. After we climbed the big ladder, we came up through here. You can see there was like a little room back in here. And coming this way, you can see, this is why they call it Balcony House. This little ledge right here is the balcony for the upstairs rooms. And these 2 holes here are not windows, they're actually doors. And this is where they sleep at night. Pretty cool. This is basically a 4-bedroom house here. And these were probably the little windows right here. Pretty small space to crawl in here. So that was bedroom number 2. Once again with bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4 up here. Pretty cool to see it from up here, and they had amazing views. Now you go down the hallway here, just over shoulder wide. The All the next house is right here.
This is where we would hang out. You know, when we weren't sleeping and doing our kind of individual family things, when we wanted to.
Okay, this is Kiva 1. And on the other side, you'll see Kiva 2. Okay, so you can see another tall building here. Those posts sticking out of the wall mean there may have been a balcony there as well. It's got an extra fancy doorway here. I think that means the boss lived here, the chief or whoever. Just my guess though. You see all the black there. That is soot. They do their fires in here. This is Kiva number 2. Once again, that hole right there, the big one, is the fire pit area. And then they'd build a structure above this. They'd have a roof over the top of this and use ladders to get down in there. Their seep is back over here. And that's where they got their waters. It'd seep in through the rocks here. And that's one of the main reasons they came down here. This probably was a room. Got a room here.
They had beds for the kids.
Those are the baby beds. Okay, so that's the 2 Kivas right there.
Somebody, I don't know if it was somebody from our park or something.
Gotta get on your knees to get through this thing. This is tight.
Tight for skinny people. Like
Yeah, seriously. Ready for the ladder of death?
That's some cool rock climbing.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, I am. See, oh.
So what do you guys think of balcony house? If you ask me, I think it totally rocks. Okay, you can see balcony house in the cliff edge over there. I'm gonna zoom in, see if you can get a better view. You can see the people there. Okay, so looking across Soda Canyon, you can see Spruce Treehouse, which, like I said before, is unfortunately closed. And it is the park's best preserved cliff dwelling, and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so that is balcony house. Back there behind me is Soda Canyon. They call it Soda Canyon because it's soda wide and soda deep. All right, that's it. We're out of here.